Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can export PDF in Miro. So first, of course, open your Miro, and once you're on your Miro, you will go ahead and click main menu, and then you will select board, and then just go ahead and click export, and then look for save as PDF or export as PDF. So go ahead and click save as PDF. Then what you will do is you can either um, choose from low quality images, medium quality images. So it really depends on the plan that you currently have. So just go ahead and click this button right here, which is export, and then you will be able to export your PDF immediately. So yeah, that's basically it. And by the way, use high quality export option for detailed diagrams. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.